Make this my channel into some. So everybody got to know there, baby. Woo!
What is up, guys? I'm back. It's your boy Dirtbag Got 07. I'm back with another game that I done started playing. This is the Monster Energy Motocross, and I love the graphics. I'm not any good, so I just started this, like I'm saying. But I'm loving the concept of the motocross format here. Look at that, just the tail whips. You got turns, you got big kicker ramps and stuff. Technique is really messed up, y'all. So don't hold me accountable right now, y'all. But I'm just still loving the game. Look at the fans in the background. Look at the slow motion effects, y'all. Alright, looks like we in the defense challenge. So not quite sure what that is, but you know, hey, just to get it going. Boom, I fly out the gate. I don't know how I did it. Did bad on that jump. Landing was okay. It looked like, yeah, man. Ooh, just really trying to get it where I can just fly off them kicker ramps. Just be my fly time, man. Cause like when you're in the game, you're in the ooh and the bad. Like you be like, oh, but then you get in the zone where it's ooh, like dang, man. When I'm gonna do something good, but I blew out the competition in this race. Easy. Alright, this challenge is about overtaking, so I don't really like these challenges because you get delayed at the gate, so you gotta work you gotta work the comeback, so whew, that was nice. Sucked on that. But hey, this game is giving us the name brand bikes. These I'm not into the motocross sport, so I don't know if these are the actual guys, but I would assume they are. So I think that's cool. They got all the bikes that look like all the major brands. So yeah, you know what? As y'all watching this, I'm gonna make a decision. Get down in the comments out of my last videos I'm dropping with the games. Which one do y'all think I should actually make a purchase? Like, I don't make purchases out the game, so which game is standing out? You know, I did the clan racing. This is the Monster Energy Motocross. So y'all let me know. Alright, this is overtaking again. I didn't win in that last challenge, so of course I didn't get to go ahead. And so you can see what I do on this one. I feel like I was getting a tad bit better, but you know, there's more transits as you progress. There's more little things they throw in there. So, and you know, I don't know if I'm letting the people get in my head when I hear them go and they start booing. I don't know if I'm letting them get in my head and it's doing my drop my game off a little bit. But so I definitely want to get those hand claps, those cheers. That's like, you know, you want to get that. That's good for your feeling the momentum. Did y'all see him in the background? He almost came up on me. So I did overtake him. So I know I'll be going for it. There's like nice air right here. I just like that slow motion. You got the fireworks. I think that's just a nice addition to the game. Alright, y'all just seen I done moved up to another level, so we're gonna see what I do on this campaign. Of course they started me with overtaking. Gosh, come on, man. Guys, that's like a triple. Like that was a triple just to come right off bat. Turn like that. Nice little double like that. Y'all see the bad coming up on the landing. Bad off the jump, bad on the landing. So yeah, really looking at the video, I can see where I'm losing speed and I see my opponent just flying off. Here we go. Let's see what I'm gonna do. They said a great jump but a bad landing. And yeah, he beat me, he burned me, toast. Like I am still stuck on this overtaking challenge right here. God, he jumps right out the gate. It's like he's just off. And here I am. I believe I'm on my 250. Just not hitting nothing right there. I did get that part right. It's like, just didn't stick that landing. Here we go. Looking good. Did I stick it? No. Boom. Bad again, y'all. Woo! That hurt. This is a tough challenge, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, I hit that one right. I want more perfect. You dig? Man, got my butt beat again. I know y'all ready for me to get past this same station here, so situation, so challenge here, so yeah. Hopefully I get it right. Okay. They said bad off the start, bad on the end, and there he goes. Y'all see him? Ooh, he cooking up there, and I ain't. Oh man. Okay, good. Okay, I like that. Let me get it. Can I get no good? Oh, perfect. Oh, I'm feeling some perfect. Got a little better, but not consistent enough. Oh, there you go. I might get him. I might get him. Good landing. I might get him. Oh, I think he got me. Yeah, he got me, but I whipped on him.